gonna be opening a dumpling. Mommy, can you give me scissors?
Yeah. Okay, show him the box. Show him the whole thing. Show him the
It's
unboxing the dumpling.
It's no MUR like delete
Help.
MURDERO.
Okay. What color do you think it's gonna be? Ask him.
Pink. I don't know.
Say comment what color you think it's gonna be in the comments.
Comment which color it's gonna be in the comments.
Alright, it's a mystery one, Mom.
Could you imagine? We will smile ear to ear.
No.
No.
Okay, here it comes.
What color, Mom?
It's purple.
Your favorite color.
Purple.
Wow.
It's a body.
It's a little dusty.
But
We had a pink one. But what happened to your pink one?
look, they showed it.
Her cousin Luke destroyed it. Her Aunt Luke actually destroyed it. Okay, well now we have a purple one. The pink one got popped, right, sis?
Yeah.
Got popped. All right, purple dumpling. Let's go. Like and subscribe for more. Right?
It must be space
Bye,
or
friends.
no?